In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal with a debit card. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you can either tap on the crypto option directly from the home screen or go to the Finances tab at the top. Both options will take you to the same place. From there, select Crypto, and you'll see the list of cryptocurrencies available on PayPal. Before you can buy Bitcoin, PayPal may ask you to complete some additional verification. Since this is a financial feature, you might need to provide extra details such as identity information or other required verification. Once that's done, you'll be able to continue without issues. Now, from the crypto list, tap on Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin screen, tap Buy. PayPal will show you preset amounts like 20, 50, 100, or more. But you can also choose a custom amount and buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to purchase and tap Next. On the payment screen, you'll be asked how you want to pay. If you already have a debit card linked to your PayPal account, you can select it here. If not, tap the option to add a new payment method and link your debit card by entering the card details. Once your debit card is selected, tap Next to continue. You'll now see a confirmation screen showing the amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the current Bitcoin price, the exchange rate, the PayPal fee, and the total amount that will be charged to your debit card. Review everything carefully so you understand the fees involved. When you're ready, tap Buy Now to complete the purchase. After the transaction goes through, you'll see a confirmation showing the exact amount of Bitcoin you purchased, and it will be added to your PayPal crypto balance. You can now hold it, track its value, or manage it directly within PayPal. Since buying crypto involves payments and sensitive financial information, it's a good idea to keep your connection secure, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi. For extra protection and privacy, use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.